people being blocked from accessing escape routes in Homa Bay. That was an arranged and organized genocide. It is a miracle. The people that attended the Linda Mwananchi rally made it out alive. We are not raising alarm, we are stating facts as they are. What would explain people carrying machetes, stones and knives in a public rally in the name of we do not want Linda Mwananchi to come there? And the question we're asking is very simple. If you do not agree with Linda Mwananchi, at least agree with the Constitution. Does it not say that everybody has the right for political self-determination? Does the Constitution not give every Kenyan the right to participate in political parties and the political processes of this country? So we are saying this. This is not a request. It is a right, and it is inalienable for every Kenyan citizen. Let me address something else that is very fundamental to this discussion. And that is how the international community views this. Kenyans, this is an appeal from Linda Mwananchi. Before, we have been telling people about constitutionalism. We've been telling people about the rule of law. And the statement has always been, let everybody play their political game as they will. The price we have paid for bad governance in this country has been embezzlement of funds, people dying on the streets. And for some reason, we have said we will wait for 2027 so that the thieves of public money will be brought to book and will take them out of their political positions through the ballot. Sinivo? Yes. Lakini sasa tunauliza hivi. What is the cost of greed and political ambition in this country? Must Kenyans pay for Gladys Wanga's political ambition and Opondo Kaluma's ego with their blood? Hilo ndio swali tunajiuliza. Bei ya kuwa sustain as politicians imeenda too high. We simply cannot afford to pay for people to be in the political bed of William Samoei Ruto with the blood of Kenyan young men and women. That cost is too high, and we simply cannot afford it. We can not only afford it here nationally, but even internationally. We are calling to all the diplomatic institutions, the United Nations. We are asking the ICC, the ICJ to look into this matter, not just as an Homa Bay issue. It is not an Homa Bay issue. It is an issue of political intolerance and unrest in this country. Treat it the same way you treated the Rwanda genocide. Treat it the same way you treat the crisis in Congo, because indeed these are the clouds of violence they are gathering, and in 2027 Linda Mwananchi is appealing to the international community. Anyone out there that is in the electoral processes of this country, take it as a cloud and the rain will come in 2027. So if you don't take it seriously now, it means that the international community is willing to watch and fund people that are causing disruption.